So here's a trick that I learned that helped me get more views on my YouTube videos. So if you create content on YouTube and you're looking to get more views and get more watch time, you might want to save this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is come to YouTube and then go over to the right and click on your profile and then click on your channel. And then you're going to want to scroll down and click on where it says play all. Now you're going to see this link in the top of your browser and you're going to want to highlight and copy starting at the ampersand all the way to the end of this link. Now once you have this part copied, you're going to want to save it to your clipboard or your notes. So I'm just going to paste it in my notepad just like that. Then you're going to want to pick a video that you want to share with somebody. So I'll just pick this video right here and then I'm going to click on share and I'm going to copy this link. Now I'm just going to paste the link for that YouTube video in my notes. And then I'm going to add the first link from earlier to the end of this link for this particular video. So it looks like that. So now when I copy this whole entire link and I paste it into my browser, it's going to take people to that particular video. But now it puts people in a playlist showing them nothing but my videos after this video plays. So once this video finishes playing, it's automatically going to start playing the next video and then the next video and then the next video. Oh yeah, here's my YouTube channel, by the way, if you want to learn how to start making money online. Now, if you want to learn more tips on how to grow your following, then like this video and also leave me a comment.